Good Sunday morning. It's time for another edition of the Hokey video blog. Hope everybody enjoyed thunder over Louisville yesterday. We had 11 hours of continuous coverage here at Wave 3 News. Hope you enjoyed that too if you were home. The weather yesterday, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, it was good. A little windy. In fact, it was quite windy at times, but as we go throughout today, I think we'll see much of the same winds of say 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35. I think we'll stay below that wind advisory criteria, but still, like it was yesterday, you're going to have to secure some of those objects you may have sitting outside. It's going to be a great day, though. We're talking about temperatures getting back into the 80s. Let's start you off this morning with our Wave 3 News Fifth Third Bank SkyTrack camera right out of Starlight, Indiana, there at Huber's Orchard and Winery. Looks pretty nice out there. A few clouds around. Oh, look, you can see an airplane up there in the sky. But the clouds, they'll be off and on today. They're not going to be making it to where it's overcast at any point, I don't think. I think we'll have a persistent break in the clouds to get you some sunshine at just about all times. But then again, I don't think we'll see a majority of sunshine either as we go throughout the afternoon. Here's how it shapes up on the satellite view. We just showed you the SkyTrack camera there in Starlight, Indiana. About right in that area there, and that's where you can see some of the heavier clouds are moving out to the east, and that's good news because I don't think we want an overcast day, right? We'll take the 80s, but not an overcast day to go with it. As we expand the view, you'll see that it's, a mix of sun and clouds off to the west as well. We've got some breaks out there near St. Louis, kind of the stratiform cloud structure going on out here. So it may at times look kind of dark, kind of dreary, but at other times it'll look like we do have some sunshine, but I think at all times you'll be able to see some peaks of sunshine showing through. What we have going on to our west right now, thunderstorms developing out basically from just south of Omaha, Nebraska. I think York, Nebraska's out here. Yeah, one of my storm-chasing towns I know about here. And that's arcing all the way over to St. Louis. We've got a cold front, actually really a stationary front draped on a line here basically from Lake Erie out to portions of Kansas. These thunderstorms are firing up there in response to not only the daytime heating, but also we've got a southwesterly flow. If you couldn't tell by the way the clouds are moving up in this area, that's going to help us warm up today, but they will be getting storms out in the Midwest. The storms will stay to our west today. Tonight, that changes. We will be seeing thunderstorms on the increase as we head throughout the late evening into early tomorrow morning. Now, this is the latest run of the RPM model. It does have some changes. In fact, some of these changes are quite significant on this model run. Just ahead of the cold front here, you'll notice it's got a big old dry slot between really two areas of showers. I think the deal with this is going to be there's going to be scattered showers as we go throughout late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and it's just having a hard time picking up on those. You can see more of a line of showers and some thunderstorms right along the front there. I do think we'll have some rumbles of thunder through all of this, but more so during the afternoon. This moves through as we go throughout 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, and it has it way later here. Still pretty storming there, or I should say storming at midnight as we head into your Tuesday. Previous model runs shifted that to the east, left us with a few showers. Regardless, Tuesday morning during your commute, the showers will be to our east for the most part, but look what happens here. Cold air catches up, and it creates some snow. RPM is really overdoing this, though. We're not expecting a band of snow like this to develop. In fact, I'm not even going to show you the snowfall predictions from this model because it's just not going to happen. Those totals that it's putting out just aren't going to happen. What we will see, showers and the possibility of a snowflake or two mixing in as we head through your Tuesday morning. That's it. The ground's too warm for any of that to accumulate, and really, I think the models are struggling. The last time we had this happen, where we were expecting to get some snowflakes mixing in on the backside of a cold front, didn't do so well. And I think that's going to be the case here. So if you see a snowflake or two in the morning, don't be shocked, but at the same time, don't expect anything to get out of hand. In fact, I think our pattern over the next several weeks will feature a cold front or two every week that's going to have kind of this setup where we do see some of these rain showers, thunderstorms, and then some cooler air on the backside. Snow, I don't think that'll happen every time. In fact, I think this will probably be the last little chance that we're able to throw in here because we're knocking on the door of late April. So we're getting into that time frame where the sun angle's too high and you just get way too much warmth in the overall portion of the northern hemisphere to generate snow this far south. You can see it only goes down so far. But something we do need to talk about, though, is what happens after this front is gone. So, by Tuesday morning, we still have a few showers moving around. It's windy. It may get below freezing in a place or two at the ground level, but frost, I don't see a huge threat of that. It's Wednesday morning that I think that we'll see that, because we will have the calmer winds and the cooler temperatures, and I think just about all of us will get below freezing by that point. So that's how it shapes up for the week. I know a lot of folks are kind of in this post-thunder slump here, especially after last night. Of course, fireworks went off at 9 o'clock. Some folks probably didn't get home till midnight or so, depending on where you were. So definitely take it easy out there today. We've got great weather. Maybe find a good restaurant with a patio out there this afternoon. Eat lunch or dinner out if you can. Enjoy this great weather, because it will be turning colder, and we will be only getting into the 40s. Yeah, I know, as we head throughout your Tuesday. So enjoy today. For now, I'm meteorologist Ryan Hoke. Thanks for watching.